So here we are in our training company, and we're going to do a quick video on invoicing projects. So we're going to do text-based invoicing. So I'm going to head to a new project, this one here for a new customer for a test opportunity. Looks like a good candidate. I've got no invoices here, but we can see that we do have a quote, and the quote is for, it's invoice to no one, it's for $11,000. So if we go to job costing, we can invoice. So let's do 3 invoices. Let's do a deposit invoice, a progress invoice, and then a final invoice. So to do a deposit invoice, we'll click on invoice job, go to create an itemized, create a text-based deposit invoice. We'll select this as a construction invoice. We're going to do a 25% deposit. Yes, I would like to put the job on hold. So this is the description that's going to be on the line item for the deposit, and it's as per the quotation with the job number. So we'll go create invoice. So you can see we've got an invoice. We can simply confirm that we've got all the information in, put a reference number, so test deposit invoice. We can save that, we can commit it, and then to send it to 0, we'll just click on the tool icon and hit send to 0. That'll send the invoice to 0, and it'll have the same number in 0 that it does here in Evolution. So let's do a progress invoice for the same job. So if we go back to the job, you can see the job's now on hold. If we pay that invoice, obviously the job will come off hold, but let's go and do just to keep the video short, we'll do a quick progress invoice. So let's invoice the job. Let's do a text-based progress invoice. We're going to do a construction invoice again, and let's invoice another 50%, say for 50% complete. And we'll go, no, I do not want to put the job on hold. And we'll do a progress invoice. So same again, we can confirm all the issues, save and commit, and we'll head back to the job. We can see that in job costing, we've got our unpaid deposit invoice, we've got our 25%, and we can now do our final invoice. So we'll go invoice job again. So if you do a text-based final, it will just calculate what's left on this job. Again, go construction, it'll just change that description slightly. No, we don't want to put the job on hold, and create invoice. So when we go back to the job, you can see that we've got our deposit invoice, our progress invoice, and our final invoice. We've got a project value of 11,266, and we've invoiced 11,266. One quick little caveat, if we come into here and we modify this and we say we want 5 of these, and then we say this is an additional item requested by the customer, and we save it, you can see under the job costing, if we refresh that screen, we've now got a variation, and we can see that our invoicing is not quite there now. So we can do another invoice, do another final invoice. It's going to invoice for that variation, and we could go again. The point here being that you can, it will automatically capture variations and changes that you make to the job when you do it. So again, commit that invoice, and we should now be 100% invoiced again, and we are. So we can now close the job. If there's any dispatches or manufacturing orders, these must be closed first, or it won't let you close the job. It will also warn you if there's invoicing that hasn't been done. That's an introduction into the invoicing system for text-based deposit, progress, and final invoices in Evolution.